let me introduce a new topic. So I'm going to focus, because we need the ions which I've been looking at to introduce this.
Yes.
Okay. So let us look at qualitative analysis. Over there.
Yes.
Qualitative
Analysis.
analysis. Have you done some practicals yet?
We had just started.
Okay. So we have qualitative what? Analysis out there. So this is basically number 2 of our paper 3. Number 2 of our paper what?
Yes.
Paper 3. Our
Paper
paper 3 is a practical, either paper 3 or paper 4. Paper what? 4.
Yes.
So whenever we're dealing with this sector out there, we mainly focus on ions. On what? Ions out there. So when you look at ions, we look at what we call the positive ions, which are cations. So cations are positive. In brackets what? Positive. Then also we focus
Positive.
on anions, which are what? Which are negative. Also?
Negative. Yes.
So on this paper, we shall basically look at the ions which are present in different salts. Different what? Salts.
So
Remember, we said we have basically the salts over there. We have the salts of carbonates. Not so?
yes.
The salts of what? Of sulfates. Over there. The salts of what? Of chlorides. Not so?
Right.
The salts of nitrates. The
Nitrate.
of hydroxides over there.
Yes.
And the rest. So,
Yes.
so when you're looking at the qualitative analysis of all level, we basically focus on the following. We focus on the salts of carbonates, salts of sulfates, salts of chloride, and salts of what? Nitrates. Only over there.
Nitrate.
So we basically focus.
Yes.
And so, okay. Let us look at the main cations we look at and the main anions we look at. And so, are we there?
Yes.
Okay. Hope you have written something.
Yes.
Have you written something?
Yes.
Okay. So therefore we shall say, okay, let me enlarge a bit. So we shall say, we're going to look at the main what? Ions we look at. So main ions.
Yes.
Look at. So we shall say, over there. So we have the cations and the what? And the anions. Over there.
Anions.
So if at cations they are positive charge, so we basically look at group 2 ions. Over there. Do you know the group 2 ions?
Yes.
Okay. So that means we have what you call the ZAPs over there and the BCMs. Over there.
Yes.
So here we shall look at mainly the chlorides because they are negative also. We shall look at the nitrates, they are negative. So these are radicals, over there.
Yes.
Sulfates, because these are now salts, they are salts, so, and the carbonates.
Yes.
And the what? And the carbonates.
Carbonates.
So, and the carbonates over there. So are we there? So that means under anions, we focus on these ones mainly. Yeah. So if either chloride out there,
Yes.
a nitrate, sulfate, or what? A carbonate. Also. Okay. Now here, are you seeing this? Z is for zinc. Yeah. So it will be zinc 2 plus. Are we there? Are we together?
Yes.
The A is
Yes.
the A is for aluminium, so it will be Al 3 what? 3 plus. Also. But the way you write the ions matters. The P is for lead, I mean it is P and what? 2 plus. Also. The S is for tin, so we don't focus it under O level. Yeah? So the B is for barium.
Yeah.
There. Barium is 2 plus. Even this one, you don't focus on it. Also. The C is for calcium out there. Over there. The M is for magnesium, which is also 2 plus. Even the S, that means S, we don't focus on the S. Then the other cations, we look at the ones which are colored. We have copper, which is 2 plus out there. We have zinc, we have seen zinc, not so. We have iron. Iron has 2. We have iron 2 and iron what? 3. I don't know if you know this. Are we there? We shall also have what you call the ammonium what? The ammonium radical. Are we seeing that?
Yes.
So let me hope you are trying to summarize that. So the main ions we look at out there is that. So that means the main ions is this. We look at this out there. Copper, iron 2, iron 3, and the rest. Also. Okay. Have you written that down?
Yes.
Okay. The other thing we shall focus on are the gases involved. Are the what? Gases.
Gases involved.
So we shall look at the gases involved. So we shall look at the gases what? Involved. So we shall say gases. So one of the gases, the common one you know is carbon what? Carbon dioxide. Do you know it? Do you know carbon dioxide?
Yeah.
Yes? So here we shall focus on how do we test the gas. And so, that means we test under the chemical test. The chemical what? Test and the one of litmus what? Litmus paper. Do you know the test of oxygen gas? Do you know the test of oxygen gas? Do you know the test of oxygen gas? Okay. So other thing we shall look at is nitrogen what? Dioxide out there. So also we shall look at oxygen gas to be there among the gases out there. So, and chlorine what? Chlorine gas out there. And the chlorine gas. So if you look at these gases here, are we listening? Are we listening? Are we listening? Yes, are we listening? So if you look at carbon dioxide, it will come from a carbonate. Over there. This one will come from what? A nitrate. Oxygen will also come from a nitrate. Okay. Then this one will come from what? A chloride. So these are the main things we look at. We look at the salts of carbonates, salts of nitrates, and salts of what? Chlorides. So they will give us these gases. But also we have what we call the sulfur dioxide gas. Out there. which comes from a sulfate what? Compound, or what we call sulfur trioxide, which also comes from sulfate what? Ions. So we also have those gases there. So we shall see how do we test those gases, how do we verify them under this topic. Are we there? So try to copy that. Are you copying that? Are you copying that? Shamila, are you listening?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So try to copy that. Are you copying? Any questions so
Yes.
far? Any question? Any questions so far?
No.
No? Should we continue?
Let me first copy this.
Okay. Should we continue?
No.
Yes, no?
I'm still copying.
Okay, no problem. So this is a practical concept. So we are starting with the theory part.
Okay. I'm done copying.
You're done copying, yeah? Okay. So let's continue.
Yes.
So now we are going to look at the colors, over, because when you're looking at this, we identify the colors, the compounds by their colors, over. So we shall say colors involved, the colors. So the first color, which is white. The first color is what? Is white. Okay, that means most of the things which we shall see under white here, are there, are compounds of either magnesium, are there. So that means if you have white, we suspect either what? Magnesium, so it will be magnesium ions, are there, or calcium what? Ions, are there. So, or calcium ions, so calcium 2+, or zinc 2+, or aluminium 3+. That means we suspect all this under this. Then lead 2+, ammonium ions. So we suspect those under white. If you see a white color, that means it is either compound of magnesium, either compound of calcium, compound of what? Zinc, compound of aluminium, compound of lead, compound of what? Ammonia. Are we there?
Yes.
Do you remember what we said about remember when I said that magnesium oxide is a white ash? True?
Yes.
That means it is white, no? So that means you suspect it under what? Under white, no? So
White.
so I mean we shall suspect that under white. Okay, let us see the next color. So the next color we shall see. So next color will be, we have black. Over there, black. Then under black, are you seeing this under black? We have compounds which are black. We have iron 2 oxide is black. Over there. So if it is iron 2, that means we shall suspect over there comma, we shall suspect iron 2 ions. Then we also have what we call copper 2. We have copper 2. That means we suspect copper 2 out there. So are we getting it? Are we there, Shamila? Are we there?
Hello.
Are we there?
Yes.
Okay. That means under black, we suspect either iron 2 oxide, which gives us what? Iron 2 ions. Or copper 2 oxide, which gives us what? Copper 2. First copy that. Are you copying that?
Yes.
So are you done? Are we done?
Yes.
Okay. So we are going to see the next color. Yeah. So the next color, we shall say the next color is going to be blue. It's going to be what? Blue. So this one we have sealed it over there. So under blue, we suspect mainly copper. Over there. Mainly what? Copper. So under blue, we shall suspect copper to what? 2 ions to be there. Under what? Under blue. Over there. That means it's either copper 2 sulfate, comma, copper 2 sulfate. Copper 2 sulfate is blue in color. This one is what? Is blue in color. Have you ever seen it? Have you ever seen copper 2 sulfate?
Yes.
Okay. So let us see the next color out there. So this one we have sealed out there. So the next color is going to be green over there. So under green, copper comes back.
Yeah.
That means we have compounds like copper 2 carbonate. Copper 2 carbonate is green in color. Yeah. So it will give us what? Copper 2 ions. Then iron 2. Iron 2 is green. Iron 2 ions are so what? Green in color. So we have basically those two, either copper or what? Or green. Copper and iron. Iron 2. Are we there?
Yes.
Should we continue? The next color we shall focus on is brown. Is what?